Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to collaborate with Google Workspace. So what you can do is you can head over to workspace.google.com. You can see that they support Google Mail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, as well as some more things. So for example, if you actually collaborate with Google Workspace, you will have your own domain that is actually being used by the colleagues that you have. So head over and click on the start free trial in order to see what it looks like and in order to try it out first before actually paying for it. So you can put in here your business name. So from in there, I'll head over and then put in here a business name, and then from in there, just select the number of employees. So I'll just select 2 to 9, and then the region will be this and click on next. You can change your region if you want to as well, and then from in there, just provide your contact info. From in there, click on next right here, and then you should be able to see this. So does your business have a domain? So for example, if you want a domain, you can head over and then, yes, I have one I can use, or if you don't have, you can need one. So for example, if you don't need one, you can head over and search for domain names that you can choose from here. So for example, let's put in here VM Prems, and you can see in here a lot more domain names that you can choose. And you can also see in here the price they have per year. So for example, just choose which one you want, and then from in there, you can see this. When you click on this next right here, you can add in here your business information in here. Now, once you have actually created your business information, you should be able to use Google Workspace and then use your Gmail, your Google Drive using your own domain that we have created earlier. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.